Are you ready to embrace the dawn with clarity and energy? As the first light of day breaks over the horizon, it's time to awaken not just your body, but also your mind with the power of intentional breathwork. This practice is your first step on the journey to a day filled with positivity, energy, and purpose. Let's begin. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit upright. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall of your chest, the coolness of the air as it enters, and the warmth as it exits. This is your natural breath, the life force that powers you day in and day out. Now we're going to channel this life force with intention. As you inhale, imagine a wave of positivity washing over you. This positivity can take any form that resonates with you. It could be the warmth of the early morning sun, the invigorating freshness of the morning air, or the energizing aroma of a freshly brewed cup of coffee. Draw this positivity into every cell of your body with your inhale. As you exhale, let go of any remnants of sleepiness, any lingering strands of dreams, any residual heaviness from the night before. Exhale it all out, make space for the new day, the new experiences, the new opportunities that await you. Repeat this cycle of intentional breathwork a few more times. Inhale positivity, exhale sleepiness. Energize your body, invigorate your mind. Remember, each breath you take is a new beginning, a fresh start. With each inhale, you're drawing in positivity and energy. With each exhale, you're releasing anything that no longer serves you. This is the power of awakening breathwork. It's more than just a breathing exercise. It's a practice of intentional living, a way to kickstart your day with clarity and vitality. You have now invigorated your body and mind, ready to welcome the new day. And remember, this is only the beginning. The rest of your morning meditation journey awaits. Now harness the power of your mind and set your intentions for the day. Every new dawn presents an opportunity, a clean slate upon which you can inscribe your aspirations, your goals, and the impact you wish to make. Today, like any other day, is a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your masterpiece. So, let's begin by reflecting on your aspirations. What do you hope to achieve today? Is there a particular goal you're striving towards? Take a moment to picture it clearly in your mind. Let it fill your thoughts and fuel your determination. Now consider the impact you wish to make today. This could be anything from making someone smile, completing a task that has been lingering on your to-do list, or perhaps something bigger, like making a significant decision for your future. It's not about the scale of the impact, but the purposefulness behind it. Visualize it, feel it, and own it. As you set your intentions, remember that every step you take today, no matter how small, is a step towards realizing your aspirations. You are the architect of your day, shaping it with every choice you make. So let your intentions guide your actions. Let them be the compass that navigates you through the day. Now take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, release any doubts or fears. You are ready, you are capable. You have within you the power to manifest your intentions into reality. To help you stay focused, consider jotting down your intentions. Writing them down can serve as a tangible reminder of your goals and the path you've set for yourself today. And remember, it's not just about reaching the destination, but also about embracing the journey. Every moment, every challenge, every victory is a part of your unique story. As you imbue your day with purpose, you'll find that even the most mundane tasks can become meaningful, and each moment can be filled with a sense of accomplishment. Your intentions are set. Your purpose for the day is clear. You are ready to embrace the day with clarity, energy, and a heart full of purpose. So let's seize the day and make it count. Let's delve deeper into your goals through the power of visualization. Now that we've awakened our senses with breathwork and set our intentions, it's time to create a vivid mental picture of our aspirations. Visualization is more than mere daydreaming. It's an active process of focusing on specific goals, bringing them to life in our mind's eye. Imagine a blank canvas in front of you, waiting to be painted with the colors of your dreams. As you breathe in, envision the strokes of your brush creating the life you aspire to lead. Each stroke represents a goal, an aspiration, a step towards the reality you desire. Visualize your goals clearly. Are they related to personal growth, professional achievement, relationships, health and well-being? Whatever they might be, see them in vivid detail. The more detailed your visualization, the more tangible your goals become. Now consider the actions necessary to achieve these goals. Each action is like a stepping stone on the path towards your dreams. Visualize yourself moving along this path, confidently stepping from one stone to the next. Feel the satisfaction that comes from each step, bringing you closer to your goal. Remember, the journey towards your goals is just as important as the destination. Visualize not only the achievement of your goals, but also the process. See yourself tackling challenges with grace, learning from each experience, growing stronger with each step. And as you visualize, infuse your imagery with positive emotions. Feel the joy, the pride, the sense of fulfillment that comes with achieving your goals. These positive emotions will further fuel your motivation, making your goals seem not only achievable, but also enjoyable. Maintain this visualization as you breathe in and out, letting the image of your future self inspire and guide you. This mental roadmap is not set in stone, but rather, it's a dynamic guide that can evolve as you grow and change. Your mental roadmap is now clear. Set your course and navigate your day with confidence. As you open your eyes, carry this vision with you throughout your day, turning your visualization into reality, one mindful step at a time. Now, supercharge your mindset with powerful morning affirmations. Affirmations are like your own personal cheerleaders, rallying you on as you step into the arena of your day. They are words of encouragement, positivity, and power that you speak to yourself in the quiet of your mind or out loud. They are the seeds of self-belief, resilience, and strength that you plant within yourself each morning. Imagine each affirmation as a glowing ember, and with each repetition, you are fanning that ember into a roaring flame. This flame ignites your potential, warms your self-belief, and lights the path ahead of you. Let's start with an affirmation of strength. Repeat after me, I am strong, capable, and ready to face whatever this day brings. Feel the power in those words. Feel that strength coursing through you. Now, an affirmation of resilience. Say to yourself, I am resilient, I am flexible, I can weather any storm. Let the resilience in these words fortify you, prepare you for any challenges the day may present. Next, an affirmation of positivity. Speak these words to yourself. I am a beacon of positivity. I radiate joy, kindness, and optimism. Feel the positivity in these words illuminating your spirit, brightening your outlook. Finally, an affirmation of self-belief. Declare to yourself, I believe in myself, I trust in my abilities, I am capable of achieving my goals. Let this self-belief bolster your confidence, fuel your determination. Remember, these affirmations are not just empty words. They are powerful declarations of self-belief, resilience, positivity, and strength. They are your rallying cry, your anthem for the day. And when you speak them with conviction, you're not just saying these words, you're embodying them, living them. So as you step into the day, carry these affirmations with you. Let them be your guide, your motivation, your source of strength. And remember, you are not just saying these words, you are becoming them. You are empowered, you are resilient, you are ready to take on the day. You've just experienced the transformative power of a morning meditation routine. Just imagine each day starting with a clear mind, focused energy, and a calm sense of purpose. This isn't just about waking up, it's about truly awakening, greeting the dawn with intention, and setting the stage for a day filled with possibility. The magic of morning meditation is in its power to kickstart your day with clarity. It's a moment to breathe, to be present, and to align your thoughts with your aspirations. This isn't about running through a to-do list or worrying about the challenges that may lie ahead. It's about grounding yourself in the now and setting a positive trajectory for the rest of the day. But the benefits of these routines extend far beyond the morning hours. By beginning your day with meditation, you're also fostering resilience. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and stress is an inevitable part of the journey. But with a morning meditation routine, you're equipping yourself with the mental toolkit to handle these stresses with grace and balance. you'll find yourself more capable of responding thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively to the challenges that come your way. And let's not forget the profound sense of inner peace that comes with this practice. Morning meditation isn't just something you do, it's a way of being. It's a commitment to starting each day on a positive note, to cultivating a sense of tranquility that radiates throughout your entire day. The ripple effects of this inner peace are boundless, touching every aspect of your life and fostering a more harmonious existence. In essence, choosing a morning meditation routine is choosing to live with intention, clarity, and peace. It's choosing to greet each day not as a sequence of tasks to be completed, but as a journey to be experienced, savored, and learned from. Subscribe now to elevate your mornings and start each new day with balance, mindfulness, and a profound sense of well-being. Having journeyed through our morning meditation routine, we hope you've experienced the transformative power and the profound tranquility this practice can bring into your life. If you found this video helpful in any way, we kindly ask that you give it a thumbs up. Your likes and subscriptions are not just numbers to us, they're affirmations that our content is resonating with you, that we are positively impacting your life. It's what fuels us to continue creating and sharing these routines with you. Don't let this be a one-time journey. Make each new day a fresh start, a chance to greet the dawn with intention, clarity, and peace. To ensure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming routines, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be among the first to experience our latest meditation practices and mindful routines. Thank you for your continued support. Remember, every new day is not merely a sequence of tasks to be completed, but a journey to be experienced, savored, and learned from. Embrace the dawn, and let's continue this journey together. Subscribe now, and let's start each new day with balance, mindfulness, and a profound sense of well-being.